everyone, it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. So I am here today with another fragrance review. So this is for the Bottega Veneta Homme Parfum. Now I hope that's how you pronounce it. I'm pretty sure it is, minus the accent. The packaging is quite plain, which I kind of like. I'm drawn to packaging, yes, but I also like simple, like things like this. So this is really cool. It's just got like a little, I think it's a piece of leather around the top. I don't keep any lids, so I don't know what the lid looks or looked like, but I mean, if you'd like, definitely Google it. The atomizer, I don't know if you guys can see. It's super fine. Now this scent is like, okay, oh, I just ate a bit. So to me, this is like when you're growing up and your dad is putting on like aftershave, and it's that super nostalgic like scent like that. Like it's a dad aftershave cologne type vibe, to be honest. It's very masculine. Like, I don't think that this would be for a woman at all. Like, I wouldn't personally wear this. It's so strong and masculine to me. Longevity, this actually wears off, I find, a little bit quicker than you would expect. So, I mean, if you want this for all day, you probably have to reapply it sort of mid to later in the day, just so you can keep smelling it. Yeah, the scent, it dries down pretty much the same as when you actually use it. So yeah, there's not a big change. Some do change significantly. So the notes for this fragrance, top notes are cardamom and cedar. Cedar is that super strong, masculine, like woody almost. Like, to me, it's like my dad getting ready to go somewhere when I was growing up as a kid. Middle notes are pimento and fir resins. Base notes, tonka bean, leather, and laudanum. Leather. I'm not a big fan of leather either in fragrances. And that, even though it's a base, it like really comes through. So yeah, would I recommend this? If you like super manly, like, yeah, like leather and like what was the other one? Cedar. Like, if you like that type of fragrance, I think you would definitely really appreciate this for what it is. But for me, I wouldn't wear it personally. As I said, it's just too masculine for me. If I smelt it on my husband, I don't think I would be like bothered by it, but it's not something that I would smell and be like, oh my God, like come here. Like, it's not that for me at all. If you have this, please let me know your thoughts, or if there's anything similar that you would recommend. As always, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what your fragrance preferences are. What are your top fragrances that you sort of go to? There will be a few more videos like this coming very soon. So if you want to see those, please press the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again for watching. Bye.